Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to silence notifications from apps in sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, so you will see that the Silence Notifications from is disabled. And all you have to do is just click it to enable until there's a check mark on the side. When the Silence Notifications from is enabled, when Sleep Focus is on, notifications from selected apps will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. And that's it. We have successfully silenced notifications from apps in Sleep Focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!